Hello Kaleki, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your friend Leki Louie, Pinoy ETO. In this video, I will share one of the electrical trouble I had encountered in bridge telegraph unit and how I managed to rectify this fault. I will also give you some background or ideas what is the bridge telegraph unit and its purpose. But before we start, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Please can you also share this video and for sure those aspiring electrical officers and marine engineers will learn something in all videos that I uploaded here in my YouTube channel. While our vessel is at sea and the main engine is running in full ahead, 93 RPM with a sea speed of 12.3 knots, the bridge telegraph unit is in command and suddenly the critical system fail appear and the alarm sounder also activated. We then tried to acknowledge the alarm by means of acknowledge button but there was no any response and the selector knob was not responding. It seems like our bridge telegraph unit freeze or hung up. But on the engine control room telegraph unit, all parameter indications are normal except for the fail text indication in telegraph handle. It also shows critical alarm between the communication of bridge and engine control room telegraph unit, and this is our problem to be rectified. Supply for about 2 minutes. But make sure you are not in marine traffic and the vessel is in safe position. After the failure alarm of bridge telegraph unit, immediately inform the captain and the chief engineer. The bridge telegraph unit is the control of the ship and considered as one of the critical equipment on board. When the failure alarm occurs, we immediately transfer the control from bridge to engine control room. Here in my current vessel, there are 3 locations for main engine control. The local side, the ECR or the engine control room, and the bridge telegraph unit or the bridge control. But some of other vessels have also control in the bridge wing in both port side and starboard side wing. After restarting, I measure the input supply voltage and it reads normal 24 volts VDC. You can print out the electrical diagram for your reference or you can simply use the diagram printed on the cover. One thing that I observed is a sign of overheating on one of the integrated circuit or IC. This may be one of the reasons why we had critical failure alarm and the bridge telegraph display unit freeze or hang up. On board, we have only limited test equipment for the electronic circuit board, and the only thing that I can do is to clean the circuit board. But before doing some inspection, make sure to isolate the power supply. I will just simply spray electro cleaner and use a soft brush to clean to clean
Isang ano na lang sir ba? Wala ka na, bulok na eh. Bulok na talaga. Hindi na kaya edit ko. Palitan na lang yung tubo. Para maisang problema. Ganda pala to eh. Depends.
When everything is in place and all are reconnected properly, we can now test the bridge telegraph unit.
Testing ko balik sa bridge control. Bridge control ha kung... Ha? Oo.
Sir, morning sir. Sir, ilipat daw namin sir yung control sa bridge. Okay na sir, sumunod na sir. Bridge.
Tapos testing. Testing. Tawag mo muna.
Oo.
Tamo i-testing namin balik sa hub.
Sir, testing na namin sir. Balik-balik sir. Balik na namin sa ano.
93 tama. Sabi mo 93 kung mats.
93 sir.
91. Yan.
Ano?
Oo, 91.
Kung mag-mats ko.
Oh, ibalik ko muna sa hub kung ano,
Sir, babalik na muna namin sa app sir.
kung susunod din diyan.
Oo, kung susunod. Sige sir, thank you.
Ayos na sir.
Yun, kuwang-kuwa talaga.
Wala mo RPM.
It is a very rare electrical troubleshooting that the only solution is by cleaning the IC. But even after cleaning and the telegraph unit operation is back to normal, the best thing to do is to order and replace it with a new spare. Since this is one of a critical equipment on board, it is highly recommended to make a detailed report and send it to your office for further advice. So, Kaleki, I hope you learned something about bridge telegraph unit. If you are an aspiring electrical officer on board, I suggest to watch my other videos regarding some electrical troubleshooting. I'm sure you will learn something that you can use in your early career as electrical officer. Again, this is your friend Lucky Louie. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.